Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can convert a video into a live photo on your iPhone. So let's get started. First, open the App Store on your iPhone. You may have previously used TikTok to convert videos into live photos, but that option may no longer be available. Instead, we can use a dedicated app. In the App Store, search for intoLive, Live Wallpapers, and install the app on your device. Once it's installed, open intoLive and go through the initial setup by tapping Next. Continue through the setup, then select Agree and Continue. When you reach the main screen, tap the X in the top left corner to close the introduction, then select New Project. If the app asks for access to your photos, choose Allow Full Access. Now, find and select the video you want to convert into a live photo, then tap Add. Wait for the video to load into the project. Once it's ready, tap the share icon in the top right corner. From the available options, select Live Photo, and then choose Save to Photos. Wait for the export to finish. After that, open the Photos app and go to your most recent photos. You should find the newly created live photo there. If you're using the free version of intoLive, the exported live photo may include intoLive branding. If you want to remove unwanted text, open the live photo, tap Edit, and select the Crop tool. Adjust the frame until the branding is outside the visible area, then tap Done to save your changes. And that's it. You've successfully converted a video into a live photo on your iPhone. I hope this video helps. Leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.